Hi, this is Karen O'Brien, and I am modifying this lesson a little bit to add, because I've added a demo model um, to the class installer. So if you run your class installer, you should now see this demo engine, and what this has in it is a FLO-2D demo executable in here. And if you click, let's see, what are we going to do here? So once you get to the location where you're going to run the model, where you've already, selected your control parameters and exported the model and it's ready to run, what you'll do that's new is you will go to FLO-2D settings, and instead of setting this to the FLO-2D Pro folder, which you may not have installed if you're not a subscribing user, you'll set this to the Demo Engine folder, and then this of course goes to the quick run. You click OK, and then you should be able, or not necessarily quick run, but you might set that to the lesson 1 export where you're doing your first test, and you can try to run FLO-2D, and you can see that that's going to pull up that demo model. Now, because I have my computer is activated, it said Pro model, but if your computer is not activated, it will show you that you're running the demo model. And you shouldn't have to install FLO-2D to get that to work, because it should be a self-contained version of FLO-2D, on your in your training package.